the weekend. We'll put the spotlight on global comments in just a bit. And as you were highlighting, GIFT Nifty is suggesting a 150-point uptick for Indian equity markets. But before that, let's take a look at how US ended on Friday. Dow Jones ending 0.5% higher. S&P 500 absolutely flat with some bit of positive bias. But Nasdaq, which was outperforming over the last few trading sessions, underperformed on Friday, with a decline of about 0.6% in Friday's trading session. US market futures, however, this morning are trading with gains, and all three indices are trading with gains this morning. S&P 500 futures are up 0.7%, Nasdaq 100 futures up 1.3%, and Dow Jones futures are also up 0.6%. And one of the major reasons, of course, is the fall in crude oil prices that we have seen overnight. We'll talk about crude in just a bit, but before that, let's also talk about Asia, because it's a mixed bag that has come in from Asia this morning. Shanghai is up 0.5%, Hang Seng is up 0.6%, Nikkei is up 0.2%, and we have Kospi that continues to sit with a decline of 1.5%. So positive, but Kospi is the one market that is declining in trade today. That's the Korean market for you. Meanwhile, let's also talk about commodities and look at the kind of fall that we have seen for Brent crude overnight. Brent has now fallen below that $90 a barrel after surpassing 100 on Friday. It is down nearly 4% in trade today, and WTI crude is at about $85 a barrel. Of course, there are still concerns about re-escalation, but some bit of positive news flow came in over the weekend with respect to West Asia crisis, which is why crude oil prices fell below that $90 a barrel mark. Let's also put the spotlight on some important global comments that have come in overnight, and we have to start with Iran's foreign minister, who has spoken about the ship attack that took place. An Iranian attack on an Iranian commercial vessel in the sea cannot go unanswered. That's the view that has come in from the foreign minister of Iran. Meanwhile, Iran's foreign ministry spokesperson has also given some commentary where he has said that messages and being exchanged between Iran and US continue, and the activity of mediators is also continuing. So perhaps a peace deal is in the works. Of course, it has gone on for quite some time, but that's the view that has come in from foreign ministers this morning. So all in all, West Asia continues to remain uncertain. Asian markets are largely in the green, and GIFT Nifty is suggesting a 160-point uptake for Indian equity markets.
Well, thank you so much.